Okay, here's a video for all of our 405 guests, directions to the laundry room. So you'll come out of the front door of 6 Tully Alley and take a left, and you'll walk this way, take a left down the alleyway. You'll keep going this way to where there's an entry door and turn right. You'll go up these stairs and you'll stay left down the stairs, crossing through here, and you'll come to this parking lot area. You'll want to walk across the parking lot facing Cannon Street, and if you just walk straight, you'll walk to the back of the hostel and you will be greeted with the laundry room below the deck.